Hi everyone. In this video I would like to show you how to make double stitches in needle tatting. You can see here 5 stitches. Each stitch has 2 legs. I have the tail here and this goes to the bow. So let's try to make this together. So I have my needle thread. I left some tail. I am forming a loop here. At the beginning I put my thread close to the needle. I am holding it with 2 fingers. I put my index finger right here on top of the needle, and then I am going to use my left to form the legs of the stitches. The first leg, counterwise, forming a loop here, put the needle from top to the back. This is the first half. The second one, I am using my index finger. I put the needle from the back to the front. This is 1 stitch. Let's try it again. Bending the finger, putting the needle and the second stitch. You can see the legs and you can see the 2 stitches. I show it again. If it's too fast, you can always slow down the video. I'm holding the thread with my 2 fingers. Just put my finger on top of this thread, forming the loop. Put the needle into the hole and pull it. And the other one counterclockwise from down to top, bending from back to front, and we made 5 stitches. I hope you liked the video and you can do it by now by yourself. You can just take it off and start it again.